Pangalawang balikat. To. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pangalawang balikat. To. 1, 2, 3, 4. Agap. To. 1, 2. Baba. To. 1, 2, 3. Siyasat. To. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Agap. To. Baba. Ta. 1, 2, 3. Tanghal. Ta. 1, 2. Baba. Ta. 1, 2, 3. The 11th General Order. GO number 1. To take charge of this post and all government property in view. GO number 2. To walk my post and military manners, keeping always on alert and observe everything that takes place with sight and hearing. Number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4. To repeat all calls from post or distance from the guardhouse than my own. GO number 5. To quit my post when only properly relieved. GO number 6. To receive obedient pass on the sentinel who relieves me all orders from commanding officer, officer of the day, and non-commissioned officer of the guard only. GO number 7. To talk to no one except in line of duty. GO number 8. To give alarm in case fire or disorder. GO number 9. To call the commander of the reliefs in any case not covered by instruction. GO number 10. To salute all officers of colors standard not case. GO number 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging and to challenge all person on or near my post to all allow no one to pass without proper authority.